going to do a brief video on meta stock analysis, stock market, and we've got a meta stock chart for you, daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. As we can see on this daily chart, this stock's been in the bear market since approximately early January 2022, still in a very serious bear market. And if we just expand this a little bit, we can see we came across and towards the 200-day moving average here, up at the top here, and as we approached it, we just basically tanked off. That's a very negative sign for this stock. It did not even wait till it got to the 200-day to get some resistance. It just got across and then just tanked. So this stock today is up, but we're in a deep bear market on the stock. So the performance basically on the stock is up 5% today on 22 million shares. It's up $6 at 141.12 cents. 22 million shares traded today. Average daily volume is 27 million, and again up about 5%. But we're deep bear market in this stock, and 1 or 2 days of rallies are not going to help us. You can see that the 20-day moving average is at 152. That's about $10 below the current price on this stock. 10, maybe even a little more than that, $11. So this stock is a little oversold, there's no doubt about that, but it is still in a deep bear market. And the worst part about it is it broke through its support here across at about the 155 level, and it making new lows in this decline. So that's not good for this stock at all. We're going to take a look at a different chart in a minute, but let me narrow this down here and get back to what we want to see here. Here is a support point right here at about the 137 level, and that's really what we're bumping up against here soon if it doesn't let me take a quick look. I think it's already violated that, and it has violated that. Let's go to a weekly chart and see what's going on in terms of our longer term support. Yeah, it's definitely violated this support position here from March of 2020. Let's go see where the next one is. It looks like 123. So around 123 is our next level of support on Meta, and again, that's about $17 away from where we are right now. You can see this is a weekly chart. This is a 200 week moving average. You can see it has respected it reasonably in the past, back here in December of 18 and in March of 20. It blew right through it here, but then it rallied up to it and shot back down again in April of 2022. So it is using the 200-day for support and resistance. It's not exact, but it is a rough support and resistance. And you can see we're below these support numbers here in terms of the most recent one, and we're headed towards the lower one in the low 120 range. So this low 120 range is my target for Meta right now. I think that you probably will get a little rally. Let's go back to the daily chart. You'll probably get a little rally in Meta up more like the probably up to the 150 range here before you continue back down. Now keep in mind, we could put in a bottom. We could do put some sideways movement in here for 3 weeks, put in a bottom and rally up. But right now, this stock is in a serious bear market, and I would guess that the lows in the 120s are going to be tested. Is all my opinion for entertainment purposes only. But right this second, it's possible we get a rally up to the 150 level by about the second week in October. I think that's a possibility, but it's definitely possible that we might get a continued decline after some brief little fluctuations around the 145 level down. Then you continue decline down here, down in the 120s level. I think 120 is probably going to be a bottom for this stock, a short-term bottom, but we have to wait till we get there. But that's my analysis right at the moment. Let's go down and see what RBAM Research says about it. RBAM Research puts out 190 plus stocks every morning, Monday through Friday. These are out for today, the 28th. They're 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. And let's see what it says. We still listed as Facebook right here. So we don't have an entry price for this stock today, which means the algorithm didn't think it was a good day to buy. So the algorithm got it wrong today. The stock's up, as I said earlier, $6, 5%. But nonetheless, we do put out prices every morning at 7 a.m. for Meta, and again, we'll change this, but it's now called Facebook. You can get our access to all of our stocks, 190 plus, every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. No cost, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below. You just go to rbamresearch.com through that link, or however you want to get there, and put in your email address, sign up for free. No credit card, no cost, and all updated by 7 a.m. In addition to the stocks, we cover the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. The stocks are longs only. Everything else is longs or shorts every day before 7 a.m. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you want to leave us a comment about moving averages, we'd love to hear it. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can only use our information for entertainment, including the entry prices and my commentary. Can't use it for anything else. You have to do your own analysis, which is always a great idea, and you definitely trade at your own risk.